Hello, welcome to Get Ready with Me. My name is Jennifer Woolsey, and I'm a top leader with AVON, and we are going to play in makeup today. So I hope you're all doing great. I have my new shirt on. Isn't that cute? And we're going to talk about thankfulness today because it's the 1st of November, and I have a challenge for you guys. So I forgot to put my lotion on. Let me do that real quick, and then we will hop right in. Notice I'm going upward with my motion so that not to drag the skin down. We don't want saggy skin. Okay, got that done. Let's go in on these eyes real quick. I did my dual elixir, but I forgot to do my day cream, which you don't want to do. I'm getting low on the depuffing eye serum. So maybe, there we go. A little bit under these eyes. There we go. And then you always use your ring finger when you're working in the eye area because it's the lightest finger that you have. There we go. Okay. So we'll let that dry for just a second. And then we'll go on with our primer, which is Ink Lasting Primer. It makes your pore size smaller, it cuts down on your oil, and it does all the good things. All the good things. So I'm just going to take a little bit. I'm not really priming on my eye area. I'm mainly just priming on the part of my face that I'm wanting to treat. You can do like a little bit on the top of your eyes if you're wanting your eye makeup to last longer. Primer's a good way to do that. Hair is sticking on my head. So my topic today is, what are you thankful for? I think that it's so important for us to just slow down a little bit in the month of November and take time to think about what we're thankful for. We all, if you live in America, you're blessed. Yes, there's still hard times. Yes, you may still have trouble, maybe even paying your bills or, doing some things, but we're not in a third world country. It could be a lot worse, right? So maybe your life isn't going exactly the way you think it should. You're still blessed. If you have a roof over your head, if you have a cell phone with internet to watch this, or a computer with internet to watch this, you are more blessed than a lot of people in a lot of other countries. I warmed up my Magix wand, and I'm going to go in, just making sure the eye is dry. And I'm going to make a downward triangle. One of my customers, Becky, and friends, Becky told me she did the downward triangle the other day and she was so proud of herself. So way to go, Becky. Okay, so we're gonna let that set for just a minute and kind of melt into your skin so that it's doing all the good things. And then we're using our Ink Lasting cushion this morning. I'm gonna take my Ruby Cell Puff, put it in my finger, open up that cap. And the thing I love about this compact is that it seals. Like whenever you do this, it closes it, and when you pull it up, you can kind of hear it pop that it is staying sealed. So I'm just going to take and stamp that on my face. And then I'm going to just start patting to blend. Pat, pat, pat. Someone asked me, how long do you pat? I'm like, I pat till I get the coverage that I want. So the patting is going to be different for everybody. It doesn't take just a little bit of the actual product on your face to be able to blend well and get a desired coverage. The cool part is it's so lightweight that you don't really even feel it on your skin. So you're really looking in the mirror for the coverage that you want. So I'm just patting. I'm going to go up and blend those eyes. Charlie, my little dog, is stuck with us. She's not very happy about it. Come here, girl. Charlie has to go get a haircut today. Come here, baby. I'll let you see her. Okay. Come here. Say hi, guys. I'm a little bit scraggly. Charlie, say hi. I'm a little scraggly. I need a haircut. Go. Okay. She's like, I just went out. I just went out to go check on my boys. She has to go check on Caden and Lucas, she thinks. Okay. I think we're good. It's good coverage. I'm blending those eyes. Color looks great. We're doing all the good. Okay, so then we're going to go in next and do our brows. I'm going to brush them to get them to the point that I want. And then I'm going to just do a little box. I need to go get, it's time for a threading. Once you get them shaped the way that you want them to be, it should make this process pretty simple. Should just basically be filling in. Okay, you can see the difference and how much I used to not do my brows until, I guess it's been about a year that I've been doing them. And oh my gosh, the difference it makes in your eyes is just insane to me. Really how it makes just your whole makeup set. I went a little bit crazy on this side, so. Okay. We have matching brows. Yay! Success. So what are you thankful for? You know, like I said earlier, if we live in America, we have something to be thankful for. I mean, things may not be going your absolute way that you think life should be going, but you still have things to be thankful for. I mean, it can be just the simple things, like the fact that you woke up this morning. Hey, I have a little customer that tells me, hey, if my name is not in the obituaries in the paper, I'm good. I am good. So, you know, be thankful that the good Lord seemed fit for you to place your feet on the ground this morning. And, you know, if you have one friend who loves you, then you're blessed that you have, you have someone who loves you. If you have family that loves you, you're blessed. If you have kids that, are still with you, you're blessed. I mean, there's so many things to count our blessings for. And I think that we've raised a generation of kids that don't realize how to stop for a minute and just be thankful for the little things. I was talking to a young lady the other day, and she was telling me that, life just was crummy, and all the kids at school were mean to her, and, just all these horrible things. And I was like, man, you must not have any food to eat, and, not have any attention from your parents, and you must have all of these horrible things going on. And she was like, no, my parents are good. I have a house and food. I'm going to use the palette with the highlighters in it, just going to do a little bit here and a little bit here. Just a little bit. You can do a little bit on the tip of your nose and a little bit up here, just to thin the face. And she was like, no, I have family that loves me and all of that. And I'm like, then why is life so crummy? I mean, really, maybe things aren't working out. We're going to do the Positive Vibes palette. I'm going to use this color right here. Maybe things aren't working out the way that you think they should. That doesn't mean that you don't have things to be thankful for. So I just want to encourage you guys to look around and look for the things that you have to be thankful for. I mean, do you have food to eat? Do you have friends that you call and text? Do you have a job? I mean, do you have a vehicle? It's the little things. I mean, that's it. Do you have the little things? Do you have, okay, I'm going to use this medium brown color to work the crease. And I'm just starting about in the middle of the eye. And I'm just working that crease. Today, what I have to be thankful for, of course, is that I woke up. But also, my youngest son's class is going on a field trip to the pumpkin patch. And I'm blessed that I'm my own boss with Avon. And I get to go with him. It's so exciting. I hope it's not freezing cold. So, I mean, do you get to do things with your family? Maybe on the weekends you get to go somewhere, go camping, or go out to eat, or just stay home and cuddle and watch movies. I mean, okay. So, I didn't tell you guys. I took this darker color and I blended, started down here, and I blended that crease. Just to make sure that it gave that color a little bit more impact. Yay! So what I have found is when I spend my time being thankful for things, then I tend to be less aggravated about things that maybe I feel like are missing in my life. And that is a huge deal, is just looking around at the things that are good. And that makes you not so upset when maybe you do have bills you can't pay. I'm using the Coral Cushion blush. Just picked up a little bit on here. Just going to give my cheeks just a little bit of color. It's kind of like a watercolor when it goes on. Okay. It's a very pretty color. It blends with just about every color tone, which I love. What do you think? It's already looking thinner. Okay. I also got this new highlighter. It's the Cushion highlighter. We're going to experiment with it just a minute today. You have to take off, once you get one, you have to take off the seal. Okay. It has the little ruby cell puff. I'm just going to put it in. Got hair on it. I have lots of hair. I'm just going to touch right here, just where the sun sees me. You can see, I don't know if you guys can see that iridescent. And hit a little bit right there on your Cupid's bow. It's going to give you a, it's going to give you the appearance of thicker lips. Okay. So, you know, a lot of people would say, well, I mean, your children aren't even able-bodied. I mean, they're not, you know, they're not healthy. So what are you thankful for? How can you be thankful? Because my kids are still with me. I'm going to use the Super Extend Precision Liquid. I'm thankful for every good day that we have, and every day I have to make memories with them. And when you slow down long enough to take the time to be thankful for those things, it will change your whole perspective on life. So my challenge for you guys this week is actually this month is, if you're going to be scrolling on Facebook looking at everybody else's life, then take a minute and write on Facebook what you're thankful for that day. And it can be the small things. Thankful that you have a home. Thankful that you have a husband. Thankful that you have children. Thankful that you have dogs. Thankful that you have friends. Thankful that you have food to eat. I mean, it doesn't have to be like that you're a millionaire. Chances are very few of us are actually millionaires. Mascara. Like, where'd my mascara go? Okay. Love mascara. We're going to put some of this on these lashes. It's coming together this morning, guys. We have got a good palette coming together. I'm thankful that my makeup is going on well this morning. How about that? I'm not, however, thankful for that hair that will not leave my face. Okay. You can see that highlighter a little bit better the closer up I get. And the cool thing is when you're like in light or if you're outdoors where the sun's shining, it will give you that iridescent look and it will just make your face pop. It's so pretty. Today we're going to wear Tenacious Lip Mattitude. And these things can go on kind of bold. So I'm going to show you a little trick. There you go. Just dab it on and then pat, pat, pat. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, I think we're ready. I just have to fix this hair and we're ready to head out to the pumpkin patch today. So I hope that you guys have a fantastic day. Remember to be thankful for things all around you and give thanks, and it will make your day so much better. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. If you enjoyed this video, please share it. Someone else out there may want some makeup tips that could be helpful for them. And you can buy all the products I used today at youravon.com/jwoolsey. And that's our website to shop on. So thank you so much for getting ready, and you guys have a great day. Bye.